There's a huge trend going on right now. It's called AI. And there are many people producing way too much content that is just AI generated nonsense. People are getting fed up with it. The other thing as well, a lot of people are now becoming more savvy to whether something is or isn't AI. There was a big gap between rubbish AI stuff and the genuine you who can actually connect with your audience. You've got a huge opportunity. What I'm saying here is, just before we get started with this video, do me a favor. If this is the first time that you visited the channel, just go and hit the subscribe button just below there. It really helps me out, and it just means I can keep producing better and better content as we go along. Alright, hope you enjoy this episode. One of the things that we do as online business owners is we look at the market and we look at trends and we look at what's happening, and we try and adapt our marketing practices to fit those trends. There's a huge trend going on right now. It's called AI. You've probably seen it. And there are many people producing way too much content and putting way too much content out there that is really just low AI generated nonsense. And people are getting fed up with it. And people are actually taking to social media and they're saying that, you know, there is too much rubbish out there. The other thing as well is a lot of people are now becoming more savvy to whether something is or isn't AI. AI is getting better, okay? If you use AI in the right way, then yes, it can work for you. But there was a big gap between rubbish AI stuff and the genuine you who can actually connect with your audience. What I'm saying here is that if you put your camera on and press record and talk to people in a way that resonates with them, where you're just offering as much help and you're talking to them as a friend, you've got a huge opportunity to reach more people if you do that, rather than just relying on your AI, okay? And if you look at the way that individual business owners, you and I, okay, yes, I could go out and get an AI avatar and get it to work and let it create 600 pieces of content every single day and put it on all the social media channels. But would it really work? Okay, in some cases it might, because I kind of know the market, and if you look at certain people who do that, certain high-level marketers that do that, they do it in the right way. But most people don't. So what I'm saying is if you want to build an online business, and if you want to really resonate and leverage what you have, which is your persona, your person, okay, your skills, your video skills, your talents as you've got a massive opportunity. You really have got a big opportunity to do it. There's one thing I will say about AI, and it's this. People talk about AI getting better. But my thing is this: nature always finds a way. Remember what Jeff Goldblum said in the first Jurassic Park? He said nature always finds a way. And I think people will develop different sets of skills when it comes to looking at AI. And yes, AI will get better, but people will always know. Whether it's consciously, definitely subconsciously, people will know. And in the same way that if you do a video and you're not being authentic, people know, don't they? People know. We go, well, he's saying this, but there's something not quite right. Okay, maybe they don't know what it is consciously, but subconsciously, the subconscious tells don't really make sense to what they're actually saying. Okay, and people know that they're lying, or they're not telling the truth, or something's just not quite right. And that something's not quite right is where AI is. So here's what you want to do. Get your video camera on and make the most of you. Go and educate yourself. Go and invest in courses. Go and invest in yourself. And yes, invest in some AI, because if you don't, you're going to get left behind. But learn how to use it in the right way. and be very careful on getting that balance between using AI and just, I'm going to say it, most people use AI because they're pretty lazy, okay? And when you go, well, look at that, I've got this video done, I've got this this other video done, I've got this narration thing going on, sounds like me, sounds good enough, that's great. Oh, I've spent 2 minutes on the computer today, fantastic, okay? But if you look at the people that do proper videos, if you look at the leaders in the business, the successful business people, most of them do just talking to the camera as themselves, because nobody really can replace them. So I just want you to take that on board. So just know that there is a big gap in the market. More people are getting more complacent about really low level quality AI, and the gap can be filled with you doing your videos, just talking to your audience, giving them tips, being authentic, and just helping them in any way you can. And if you do that and you're consistent with it, you'll be successful at whatever you put your mind to. Hope that helps. I'm sure it does. Any questions that you've got, just drop them just below. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching this on one of the social medias, on YouTube, whatever. If you are, just hit that subscribe button as well. I really appreciate that. Right, we'll talk soon. Bye for now.